By the end of this video, you will learn how to make Cuban oregano oil safe and easy at home with 2 ingredients. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button if you want more natural ways to look and feel better. So the first step is to get fresh Cuban oregano and wash them properly. Cuban oregano is known by several other names, including Mexican mint, Spanish mint, Mexican thyme, soup mint, broadleaf thyme, thick leaf thyme, big thyme, and shiny thyme. Comment below, what do you call it in your country? So after washing your Cuban oregano to remove dirt and dust, the next step is to use hand towel to dry leaves properly. For years, Cuban oregano has been used as a natural boost for respiratory health. It acts as a natural decongestant, helping to clear nasal passages. It helps with coughs, asthma, bronchitis, and sore throat with its expectorant properties. After drying your Cuban oregano leaves, the next step is to destem the leaves. For the purpose of this video, we will only be using the Cuban oregano leaves. If you are enjoying this video thus far and you like seeing how to make your own natural remedies simple and easy, please comment below, I like herbal remedies. And remember to hit the notification so that you will never miss another one of our videos. Here are some important benefits of Cuban oregano and how it will help you. Cuban oregano helps to fight acne, eczema, and rashes with its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It also speeds up healing of minor cuts, burns, insect bites, and bruises. Another important benefit is that it enhances digestive health. Cuban oregano relieves indigestion, bloating, and stomach cramps. It also helps to prevent and treat infections in the digestive tract. After you have destemmed your oregano, the next step is to slice them into small pieces. Another important benefit of Cuban oregano is that it promotes hair care. It treats dandruff and soothes itchy scalp with its antifungal properties. In addition to this, it strengthens hair and supports healthy hair growth. Another amazing benefit is that it reduces inflammation and pain. Cuban oregano is known to soothe muscle aches, arthritis pain, and reduce swelling. Just imagine, what we are creating here is a powerful homemade Cuban oregano oil that contains so many health benefits that you need. This oil beautifies your skin. It contains antibacterial and antifungal properties. It hydrates and nourishes your skin, enhancing beauty and appearance. When you apply Cuban oregano oil to your chest, it helps to clear congestion. The oil can also be applied to your throat to relieve irritation and sore throat. Cuban oregano oil is also used to relieve joint pains, arthritis, muscle cramps, muscle spasms, sore muscles, and help to heal torn muscles. Did you know that Cuban oregano oil can also be applied to cold sores to make them heal faster? Yes, it can. Not only that, but it can also help with fever, cold, and flu. There are also aromatherapy benefits that Cuban oregano oil has to offer. You can add a few drops of Cuban oregano oil to your diffuser to help purify and cleanse the air. This too will help to keep your respiratory system healthy and strong in this time of the climate change. The aroma of the Cuban oregano oil also helps to uplift mood, enhances focus, relieves stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue. What we are doing now is placing our chopped Cuban oregano into our blender. We are using 1 cup of fresh Cuban oregano. Learning how to make this oil at home will save you a lot of money. It will also help to keep you and your family, loved ones, and friends healthy. Just imagine having access to all of these health benefits just by making this oil at home. After placing your 1 cup of fresh sliced Cuban oregano into your blender, the next step is to measure out 2 cups of pure olive oil. You can use other carrier oil like grapeseed oil or coconut oil if you choose. Another powerful benefit of Cuban oregano oil is that it promotes hair and scalp care. This oil helps to combat fungal infections and relieves itchy scalp. It also promotes healthier and shinier hair. In addition to this, it promotes hair growth. After placing both your olive oil and Cuban oregano into your blender, the next step is to cover your blender properly and then blend. If you are enjoying this video thus far and want to see more videos like this, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification so that you will never miss another one of our videos again. It is important that you blend until you have a smooth texture. You want the healing properties in the Cuban oregano to infuse with the olive oil. After blending, the next step is to pour this potent formula or mixture into your saucepan or your pot. Please ensure that you have this set on medium heat. Remember, what you're creating is a potent oil with so many health benefits. An oil that helps with your skin, your hair, infections, cold, and flu. Please ensure that you stir properly for about 3 to 5 minutes. This will ensure that your oil doesn't burn and also that it infuses properly. After stirring for 3 to 5 minutes, you can allow your oil to cool. Then you can begin to strain your oil. For this part, you can use a fine strainer or a cheesecloth. If you have made it this far in the video and you have not yet liked, comment, share, or subscribe, please feel free to do so now. After straining, you can check if any moisture is in your oil, and if so, you can set it back on the fire for a few more minutes. And there you have it. This is how you make potent Cuban oregano oil at home with 2 ingredients. You can freely apply this to your hair. You can use it on your skin. Feel free to enjoy the benefits of this oil. One love. Shalom.